Do not work with boiler unless you are gas safe register engineer or you are working under the supervision of gas safe register engineer. So on this video I'm going to show you how to replace the filling loop. So the filling loop is the apparatus that is normally used to pressurize the seal system, the boiler. Let's say it's a combi boiler or the system boiler. So to replace this filling loop, you need to know the position of the bulb first. So there is a two isolation bulb, one with a double check bulb and one with just a normal bulb. So double check bulb, it goes on the cold water side, and the normal one, it goes on the heating side. And the loop is connected only when you need to pressurize the system, otherwise it should be removed. So it's just the temporary loop to prevent the backflow of the water from the heating pipe into the cold water main supply. So to remove this valve, what you need to do is you need to depressurize the system. So you can depressurize the system on the boiler from the PRV, and just bring the needle gauge, pressure gauge to 0, or you can just drain off the water from the radiators, the drain off valve. And for the cold water side, you can just turn the stopcock off or isolate the stopcock from the which is normally located below your sink. So once it's done, just take the old valve out and replace with the new one, and just follow the arrow. So the arrow on the cold water side, it will be just outward from the pipe, so it will be pointed towards you, and on the heating side it's pointed towards the pipe. Cold water, double check valve, isolation valve, heating loop.